So now the trend is heavily changing towards electric vehicles.
Yes.
So how is GT Auto India, like the market, adapting to that change?
See, the change is happening. It's evolving. Thanks to the government policies. Government is helping buyers and encouraging buyers to buy electric vehicles. They're coming up with subsidies. For example, when I personally had bought an electric vehicle, I had gotten subsidy of 2.5 lakh rupees from the Maharashtra government.
Okay.
That is a big amount.
Yes.
2.5 lakh is a big amount. That can be my fuel cost for 3-4 years at least.
Yes.
If I had a normal petrol or diesel car, that could be my fuel cost. So thanks to the government policies, I was encouraged to buy an electric car. Secondly, my usage was in the city limits only. Correct. So I did not bother about the charging infrastructure. But as we speak, the number of electric car buyers have increased a lot.
Yes.
Thanks to the charging development in the charging infrastructure, people are getting inclined towards buying an electric car. Government is helping them by giving subsidies, by giving some rebates on taxations.
Correct. So road tax is not there, for
example. Road tax is not there. Yeah. Secondly, the depreciation part which business owners or which corporates claim on their cars has a higher percentage in the electric vehicles.
Oh, so it depreciates faster?
It depreciates more.
Oh, okay. More.
Depreciates more.
Correct.
The percentage you can depreciate is more.
So
in
the claim that you can depreciate
is more in the electric vehicle.
Oh, okay.
That's why the corporate houses
are going more towards
electric vehicles.
Oh, okay.
Second thing. Third thing, electric vehicle is as good as a electric go-kart.
Correct.
It does not have a rocket science to it. Correct. You don't need a lot of maintenance to it. You don't need to replace the engine oils and everything. Of course, if there is any malfunction, you have to just tow the car. You cannot repair it on the spot.
Got it.
If there's a malfunction, you'll have to tow it to the workshop, and only the authorized workshop can do it. But when the manufacturer is ready to offer a 8-year warranty on a motor and a battery, there's no harm in buying an electric car.
8-year warranty.
8-year motor and battery warranty. Wow. And a car warranty on other components are 3 to 6 years, depending on what plan you have.
So, how often do you need to service these vehicles then?
Once in 6 months.
Okay.
So they go for a check. The battery is checked. In fact, these cars are all software driven.
Okay.
So when the authorized service person attaches his laptop to the car, he gets each and every detail of when have you charged the car, how have you charged the car, what was the percentage when it dropped down to, has it gone to 0% ever. So he has a sheet of everything on a paper that this is you are following, this is you are not following, because it's all a software driven car.
Correct.
So you should go once in 6 months. You can get it checked if your car battery is fine, if the battery cells are fine, if your car is charging well.
How long has it been since our first EV in India has been launched? Has it been a decade yet?
Not yet. No, it has not been a decade yet. If I'm not mistaken, 2019 was the first Tata Nexon that came up.
So 6 years.
6 years
around.
But it came to a lot of trend in 2021.
Okay. So in 4 years, what is the change that you've seen? What is the shell life of the battery? Or can you tell something on that?
Yeah. So as a user, my personal car did not meet with any of the battery issues.
Okay.
But I know many buyers who had issues.
Okay.
Many of them buyers.
Okay.
And the service centers were able to solve the issues.
Got it.
Solve the issues, but with a lot of time. So that's again when people got little bit frustrated with buying an EV. Ki why to buy a EV? ये तो service center में खड़ी रहती है जाके.
But it's like an evolving market, so I mean,
it will take time. See, India is not 100% EV ready. It will take 10 to 15 years more to get towards a greener thing, and by that time, India will also figure out how to dispose of the battery.
Correct. So I was just going to come to that because we talk about sustainable and greener and everything, but there's lithium ion batteries that are there, and those cause a significant damage to the earth as well. Yeah.
And we don't have an infra to dispose
those. So that's what I was going to ask you. Do you have any idea in terms of what is the government trying to do, or how So we say it's sustainable or environment friendly, but how much in terms of percentage is it still causing any harm?
No, honestly, on that forefront, I don't have a exact number on how it is sustainable or that. But I am sure the government is working, because we are seeing a lot of electric vehicles on the road, and then there will be time in next 2-3 years that these batteries are going to get damaged and they need to be disposed of.
Okay.
So I'm sure the government is finding a way or the other, or maybe setting up a factory somewhere where people can go and dispose these batteries off.
Do you think that will be like a new business?
That must have already opened up somewhere, which we are not aware of.
Yeah.
We'll be aware when all these cars come to the battery disposal stage.
Got it.
That
Got it.
should be a business already.
Yeah.
Like, if you don't know, garbage collection is a big business.
Yes.
It's a very big business. It's a multi-billion-dollar business.
Yes. Yes.
Same way for electric vehicles, the waste is battery.
Battery.
The only waste they make is a battery.
Electric waste. E-waste.
E-waste.